My favorite ones are the ones where y'all stood beside the little rock thing. Look at Manny Mac. Okay, I gotta write down this recipe. I came back up here to make a cinnamon roll peach cobbler to take to church tonight. It's Wednesday night, so we're having pizza after the service. And I'm gonna take this for dessert. But I saw that I had the email for the yearbook pictures, so we got distracted looking at those. They're so cute. So, okay, let me write these ingredients down. I think we'll just do whipped cream, you know, the squirt kind, to go with this cinnamon roll peach cobbler instead of ice cream. I think that'll be easier than, you know, having to dip out ice cream and all that. So, cinnamon roll peach cobbler with whipped cream. I could also make some homemade whipped cream, but we'll do what we can this time. I already have the order put in for the pizza. Tyler and I think Donna's gonna ride with him. They're gonna go pick the pizza up at 6 o'clock. So I've got the oven preheated to 375. We need half a cup of butter. So I'm gonna take half of that and put it into the casserole dish. And I was gonna say I would let it be melting while the oven was preheating, but it's already ready. So we're just gonna put it in the oven to let it melt while we get the other stuff ready on the stovetop. We'll just cut it into 4 pieces like that. Put that in the oven. In here we're going to put the other half of the butter. Okay. We need half a cup of water. I have some coconut sugar that we're going to use for the next part, but you can use brown sugar or regular sugar, whatever you want to use. For the coconut sugar, I'm doing 1/3 of a cup, but if you use the others, you can just do 1/4 of a cup. Then we need just a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. We're using lime. Now we're just going to let this cook over medium heat until the butter is all melted and everything is dissolved. Over here we'll go ahead and slice up the cinnamon rolls. We'll set the frosting over to the side. We'll need it later. So we'll just put the cinnamon rolls in here with the butter. And we'll just stir those all around. Coat the cinnamon rolls in the butter, and it's also kind of greasing our casserole dish too as we spread them around. Oh my goodness. Just the butter, and that is already smelling so good. Just with the butter and the cinnamon rolls. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the peaches in. I'm gonna drain these real quick. We're using 2 cans. These are the 15-ounce cans, so if you have one of those really big cans, just one would be good. Okay, so we'll just mix this with the cinnamon rolls. Now we're just waiting on this to finish up on the stovetop, and we're gonna pour it over the top. And then it goes in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. And then when it completely cools down, this gets drizzled over the top. We're ready. Trying to get everybody out here, get loaded up. Manly's doing a little show, some of his dance moves while we're waiting. Oh, that was a nice one. Oh, yeah.
You try to do a dance move.
Oh, I'll fall on those rocks, and then it would be a comedy show. We gotta stop by Betty's for the unsweet tea and whipped cream, and there's a spider web right there. Duck, sissy.
More calories.
He's getting the pizza.
Crank it up, I'm putting this in. Okay, we're gonna listen to some music.
Georgia's largest Christmas store.
Can we get
This is
you can get
Georgia's largest Christmas store.
Hiawassee has a
60,000 items in stock.
Yeah, this says Hiawassee has a scenic railroad too. 50 miles of breathtaking views on the Hiawassee Loop. Ooh, Georgia Mountain Festival.
We'll have to do some of this
Everybody
stuff.
grab some brochures right here. He looks like a grumpy pumpkin.
He's not a very happy pumpkin.
Yeah, there are the mini Buckeyes. Granola.
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 What about that?
That's pecan blueberry granola. You got the whipped cream, Jonah?
Yeah.
It's the pizza guy from Home Alone. What was that total? It was like $167 or something, wasn't
Right
it?
there was 167 now, wasn't it?
No, it was
70.
70. See what I'm saying, folks?
Meat lovers, beef, pepperoni, Italian sausage with peppers and onions, and wings. And then we have the peach cobbler, cinnamon roll peach cobbler. Got a little salad mix action. Whipped cream for the cobbler. Put these in the refrigerator, all this stuff, so it can stay cold.
This can just stay just like this. It'll stay pretty warm, like this right here. Let's be honest. There's pizza out here, everybody. They're gonna want me to cut this short tonight. It ain't working for me. It ain't working for me at all. That thing I bought a while back, y'all, quit using it. And I'm being honest with you. I'm fixing to have to go get a haircut for my nose hairs. I mean, this is crazy. The last thing I want is have to bush off my nose. Some of y'all probably want to know about my Bible cover. This is actually a Thompson chain Bible, and I put this cover on this Bible. Fallon bought me this. I've got a bunch of Bibles, but
He's got more Bibles than children.
yeah, I got to a farm. Look, I got to a farm, and I was going to. I had to go catch this steer. And I got over there just to look at the job, see what was going to need, if it was going to need horses or dogs or whatever the case. And I jumped out, and I could have probably caught him
Without the horse.
Without the horse.
If you had a
Rope. And I was like, I went back to my truck, opened the door up, and I told the farmer, I said, well, usually I do have ropes in my truck, but I didn't have no ropes, but I said, I got about 3 or 4 Bibles in there. This one was in 2012. Tyler's got a Thompson chain too.
he got the latest version, I think, of
And
the
actually,
chain.
I like his. I mean, his is bigger. It's a bigger Bible than this one is.
Show mine.
Hold this.
Okay,
Tyler
Hulk
forgot
has
his.
been here.
Sissy's is the prettiest.
The preacher forgot his key tonight, everybody.
This is her cover. Very pretty.
Man, you sat up right, Sissy. You let that
Yeah,
preacher
she
say
got-
something she likes. She'll jerk an orange out on you. If the orange one don't work, she'll grab that yellow one.
Yeah, and if she needs hand sanitizer, she got that right
You're
there.
just like
too.
your mama, Sissy. Trust me, the book of James, I remember her Bible whenever we first got together.
Yeah, when we were dating.
When we were dating, the whole book of James, the entire book. This one may be like
Was
that.
highlighted.
This one could be that way.
Well, this one's a rainbow.
This is a rainbow Bible, so she hadn't worked on this one as hard.
Yeah, but there is lots. Hey, show them my church notes book though. Oh, look,
Oh,
I wrote
yes.
that. I wrote that last Sunday for you.
Fallon loves Titus,
There you go.
folks.
Oh no, my church notes book isn't in here.
Well, it might be down there in that bag. Anyway,
Yeah,
she's
I
a
write
note
down
taker.
the highlights. You know, the highlights.
Yeah,
No pun.
no pun. No pun at all, folks.
Now here's Jonah's highlighter.
What do you got in there,
Space
son?
pen. Oh look, this Walmart actually has church notes books. He got this from Walmart.
I've got one of these too, folks. Mine and Fallon's is very similar. What's the difference in yours and mine? Mine's got tabs. Okay.
Yours has tabs and the covers are a different color. But
So down here at the bottom, it tells you family, faith, prophecy, evil. Okay, there's a lot of that in our world. Sin, history. Okay.
yeah, and then discipleship, outreach, God, salvation, love, and commandments.
So
the colors, you know.
Yeah, so basically wherever you are.
Look, there's a lot of sin right there.
There's a lot of sin involved here, folks. A lot of sin. People
Where's
that
this history? Sometimes it's hard to tell with the colors. It looks like sin, but it could be history.
No, it's more about people sinning.
It looks like sin.
It's more about.